Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I am Miss Nikita Mulkani, your third standard teacher from Saint Mother Teresa English School, Nandurbar. In the previous lecture, we learned about third chapter of GK, that was Amazing Creatures. Now we are going to see a activity based on some birds, common birds which we know in our day-to-day life. It is on page number 4 in our GK textbook. So our activity name is Know These Birds. So we know many of the birds in our life. We have seen them like peacock, crow, dove, ostrich, pigeons, owls, many more like that. So we have to know about means what they are called or what they are. By some specific qualities we have to identify them. So let's start. There are thousands of birds around us. Some soar in sky while some can run even faster than cheetah. Learn about some special birds by filling in the crosswords with the help of the clues given below. So here clues are given to you and we have to fill it in this crosswords. So let's start with it. See, first in the down section all the animals or all the answers we have to write in this form, means up to down, and this across section we have to write all the answers from left to right side. Okay, first the national bird of India is, which is the national bird of India? It is peacock. So we have to write here the answers. So the national bird of India is peacock. Second, a large scavenger bird. Which is the scavenger bird? Means the bird which eats flesh or eats other birds. That is vulture. What it is? It is a vulture. A large scavenger bird, vulture. Third, 3 is here in across. A flightless bird of the Antarctic region that walks like a man. A bird which walks like man but cannot fly. It is a penguin. What it is? Penguin. 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 Fourth, goosey goosey. It is a line of a poem. Goosey goosey gander, whither shall I wander? So what is the fourth? Where is fourth? Here. Gander. Gander. Fifth, a bird that lays egg in the nest of other birds. Ek bird hai, but it lays its eggs in other bird. Which is that bird? Cuckoo. 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 Sixth, a New Zealander is known by this name. A person or New Zealand, that city or that country is known by this bird's name. Which is that bird? It is kiwi. Sixth, Kiwi. Kiwi. Seventh, the largest flightless bird. सबसे बड़ा bird है. It is the heaviest bird also, but it cannot fly. अब भारी है तो कहाँ से उड़ेगा? It is called as ostrich. Seventh is here. OSTRICH. Ostrich. This is that bird. Eighth, a water bird with webbed feet. A bird which swims in water or which lives in water but has webbed feet, means जाली की तरह उसके पैर होते हैं. तो which is that bird? It is a duck. 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 Ninth, symbol of peace. Which word is symbol of peace? Yes, it is this. Dove. 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 10th, the vehicle of goddess Saraswati. Saraswati Mata. Goddess Saraswati. Which word is Saraswati goddess or Saraswati Mata's vehicle? It is swan. SWAN. It is swan. Next, 11th, a carriage of messages. 11th is here. A carriage of messages. a carrier of messages. Who carries messages? It is pigeon. 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 11th is here. 12th, a bird that flies at night and has a good eyesight. Which bird flies at night? Which bird we can see? Yes, it is this bird. It is owl. So this was our activity. You all have to do the same in your books. Now let's move towards our lesson. Fourth lesson. Lesson number 4, wonder plants. Till now we learned about different birds, different creatures or different animals and insects. Now we are going to see about some different qualities of plants. Read the description and find the names of this wonder plants using the clues given below. अब plants की भी जैसे animals and birds की कुछ unique qualities है. Plants are also having some unique qualities. See here first. First, this plant is basically a gigantic herb that grows from an underground stem or rhizome to form a false tusk. ये एक basically it is a herb, means used for medicines. Herbs जो भी है ना medicines के लिए use होते हैं. Grown from a underground stem, उसकी stem थोड़ी सी ज़मीन के नीचे रह जाती है, उससे फिर से grow हो जाता है. या rhizome एक बड़ा सा सीड आता है, उसको हम डालते हैं तभी वो ग्रो होता है. टू फॉर्म अ फॉल्स टस्क. टस्क मीन्स स्टेम. उसकी स्टेम बनाने के लिए वो ग्रो होता है. सेम लाइक हाउ प्लांट्स आर ग्रो. विच इज़ दिस प्लांट? यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर. यू कैन सी सम बनानास हियर. सो व्हाट इज विच इज़ दिस प्लांट? इट इज़ अ banana plant. Which plant it is? Banana plant. You can see it in the picture also. Second, this is the world's largest flower. A flower you all have seen, small rose flower, marigold flower or different types of flowers, right? This is the world's largest flower. It is found in the rainforest of Indonesia. Indonesia is a country and there उसके rainforest में, उसके forest में, उसके जंगलों में ये मिलता है. It can grow up to 0.9 meters, means 1 meter, करीब 1 मीटर लंबा होता है ये. And can weight up to 6.8 kilogram. 6 kilos and 8 grams means near about 7 kilogram. 7 किलो जितना भारी होता है ये flower. This flower is called as Rafflesia arnoldi. It is Rafflesia arnoldi. Let us write the spelling. Rafflesia. Rafflesia arnoldi. Arnoldi. Rafflesia arnoldi. Understood? So this is red color flower which is 1 meter long and 7 kilograms weighting heavy flower. Largest flower in the world. Third, the leaves of these trees have the symbols of peace for thousands of years. हज़ारों सालों पहले ये ट्री, दिस ट्रीज लीव्स, इस ट्री के लीव्स क्या थे? पीस, सिंबल ऑफ पीस के लिए माने जाते थे. दिस ट्री कैन लिव फॉर 1000 years और मोर. दिस ट्री कैन लिव फॉर 1000 years, 1000 साल तक ये ट्री जिंदा रह सकता है. एंड इट ग्रोज, इट्स स्टेम इज टू बिग एंड हार्ड एंड वेरी थिक बुशेस, लाइक बहुत सारे घने बुशेस रहते हैं इसके. सो विच ट्री इट इज़? इट इज़ olive tree. Which tree it is? Olive tree. Fourth, this is the most popular spice in the world. सबसे famous spice है. Spice means masala. It is known to improve digestion and add flavor to food. खाने में फ्लेवर ऐड करता है ये, मीन्स मसाले डालते हैं तो खाने में फ्लेवर ही होता है, मज़ा आता है खाने में. एंड इट इम्प्रूव्स डाइजेशन, मीन्स हमारे बॉडी का डाइजेशन सिस्टम भी ये इम्प्रूव करता है. सो विच इज़ दिस प्लांट? इट इज़ ब्लैक पेपर. ब्लैक पेपर मीन्स काली मिर्च. ब्लैक पेपर. So this was about our wonder plants. Banana plant, Rafflesia arnoldi, that is the biggest flower in the world. Olive tree, this tree's leaves were known for peace for many or thousands of years. This olive tree can live for 1,000 years also. And this, it is a spice, improves digestion system and adds flavor to our food, which is black pepper.